to you. Happy birthday sa pinaka mabait at pinaka masipag kong partner. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw mo. At ang wish ko ay matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. And I'm sure na masaya rin si mama kasi nakikita ka niyang masaya. Yun lang. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday and happy anniversary sa ating dalawa. Meron akong hinandang munting sorpresa. Sana magustuhan mo.
Happy birthday, Lynette and Ate. Today is your day. I wish you have a good health and long life, happiness and love. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Birthday! Happy birthday, Nina!
Ano? Happy birthday! Masaya ako kahit paano nagsama-sama tayo dito. Nag-advance yun ng birthday, pero bukas birthday mo. Happy birthday! Yun lang, anak. Salamat sa masaya nating pagdidikon dito sa Baler. Thank you!
Anniversary po na.
Happy anniversary pala ni Lynette. Happy anniversary. Maging masaya kayo sa araw-araw at saka maging healthy. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Tita Nina Maru. Wish ko sa inyo is good health and long life. Para mas marami pa tayong business sa family. And also, sana mas maging successful tayo sa panibagong year na binigay sa inyo ng Diyos. And thank you for being a source of our happiness sa mga time na malungkot kasi hindi kayo nawawala na agenda. Yung agenda na ilo-look forward talaga kasi alam mo maging memorable siya. So yun lang. See you soon. And more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Ninang! Wishing you many more birthdays to come, filled with love, good health, and happiness. Thank you po sa constant love and support niyo sa amin. Yach and I are truly grateful to have you in our lives. See you soon and bang soon po. Love you! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday and happy 6th anniversary, lovebirds! Ang masasabi ko lang ay ang love story niyo ay parang favorite kong ulam. Adobo. Kahit paulit-ulit, lalong sumasarap. O kaya naman, pwedeng sinigang. May asang kilig, pero swak na swak. Thank you for always showing up in any occasion of my life. Thank you for the long patience. I wish you too a happy, healthy, and long life. Kahit ilang biyahe pa yan, kahit ilang notes pa ang lampas sa tono, magkasama pa rin kayo hanggang dulo. Keep loving, keep singing, at syempre, keep cooking, Ninang. Kasi ikaw lang naman yung magaling magluto dito. Anyway, I love you both. Again, happy birthday and happy 6th anniversary.
Happy birthday, Ninang!
Love you, Ninang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
May kiss ka lang.
Happy birthday, Nakmaru. Happy birthday. God bless. More birthday to come sa inyo na rin. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday. Happy birthday po sa inyong dalawa. Birthday.
Happy birthday, Joshua. Ayun naman. Sana all nasa surprise. Sana all ganyan ka-love. So, ayun. Ang haggard ko, kakagising ko lang. So, napakaswerte mo kay Lynette. At merong taong nagmamahal sa'yo ng ganyan katindi, ganyan kawagas. At talagang gustong ipa-feel sa'yo na special ka. Actually, wala akong sinulong beshi. Lahat naman galing sa puso ko. At alam lagi magkausap or laging nagkikita, pero alam mo naman, I got your back. Yung birthday mo, gusto ko maging masaya ka. Dahil yun ang gusto ni tita. Gusto niya masaya ka pag birthday mo. Gusto niya enjoy mo. Yun lang, Beshiwap. Gusto ko happy ka palagi. Kasi deserve mo yon. Deserve nyo ni Lynette. Happy birthday na din, Lynette. Deserve nyo mag-enjoy. Deserve nyo maging masaya. And kita tayo soon. At sana nonga-nonga tayo. Happy birthday. Love you, love you.
Happy birthday, Beshiwap! Ang wish ko for you is good health. Lalo na we are aging. Alam mo yan. Don't worry, we don't look our age. Kailangan nila nagpapabotox eh. Yaman yarn. Anyway, I want you to always remember our song. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure. That's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Effort lang ka yan, girl. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday po, Mama Ru.
Happy birthday, Mama Ru! Wishing you a good health and more birthday to come. Naway marami pang masasarap na pagkain ng iluto mo at dalhin sa office! Enjoy your day! Bye!
Birthday po! Gawa sa buhay. Maraming salamat at isa ka sa part ng buhay ko. I'm really thankful to God. Yung birthday mo, ang wish ko is sana magkaroon ka ng mabuting kalagayan or good health and yung luck, of course, sa money, sa wealth, and sana umayon sa lahat ng nais mo sa panahon na ngayong taon na darating. Maraming salamat and happy birthday and happy anniversary sa inyo ni Lynette. Happy anniversary.